welcome back to the channel. You ever been so mad where you wanted to punch the wall? Well, believe it or not, people do it all the time. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to repair a fist hole in a wall fast and easy. All right, so I'm going to use this metal mesh patch, but first I'm going to have to clean up this repair from all the damaged edges from where I punched the wall. So I'm going to take my razor knife and just kind of clean it up a little bit. See the flap? Just want that to go away. Let me know in the comments if you've ever been so mad that you punched a hole in the wall. All right, so I'm going to be using the 6x6 wall repair patches by Tool Pro. Easy to use, got adhesive on the back. I'm going to also use the all-purpose joint compound by USG. All right, so what you want to do is kind of scrape the texture away. I'm just using a 5-in-1 tool. You can use a 6-inch drywall taping knife or any type of scraper. Just want the patch to sit pretty flat. All right, so I got the metal mesh tape to put over the hole. What you want to do is you just want to peel off the paper backing first, which has directions on every patch. All you want to do is place it centered on the hole. This is a 6-inch by 6-inch patch. And you just want to go around the perimeter and push on it and peel the outer layer of film off. All right, so I got my all-purpose joint compound, 6-inch drywall taping knife, got my metal mesh patch on. It spans the hole really good. So never used one of these, looking forward to it. So you just want to basically get some mud up on the patch. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name's Paul, and I've been a drywall and painting contractor for over 20 years. If you're looking to step up your drywall, texturing, or painting game, be sure to subscribe to my channel to keep up with all my latest videos. Keep it to a minimum size, just barely larger than the patch. Put pressure on the left side so you don't leave a line on the right when you go up. All right, so we waited about 2 hours for this to dry. It dried super fast. So I'm going to feel it and see where it needs mud. It needs mud right in the middle where the hole was. The outside's not bad, just needs another coat over the fiber tape around it. So I'm going to use the all-purpose joint compound one more time with the 6-inch knife. Putting most of it in the middle where it needs it. Then I'll go to the outside on both sides of that. So I'm going to go right up the middle again. On the side. Pressure on the left, lifting the right. Second coated. All right, the patch is dry on the second coat. I'm going to do last and final coat. I have not done any sanding whatsoever. I'm just going to take my 6-inch knife and scrape any edges that I see that might be a little higher. Not a lot. All right, so I'm going to use my 12-inch taping knife and my 14-inch pan to apply the last coat of joint compound. Want to make this one pretty tight. Again, I'm going in the middle first. That's where the hole was. Then the outsides. You want to cover all the second coat joint compound. Going the opposite way of the other two coats. Pressure on the right side, lifting on the left. All right, so the pass is dry and ready to be sanded. I'm going to use my sanding sponge to go around the edges here so it blends into the knockdown texture. And you want to be careful on the center. You don't want to push too hard, so just lightly sand it. As you can see, there's not a lot of bumps or ridges, so I'm going to give it a quick sand. One thing you want to do is be sure not to go through to the mesh in the center that's covering the hole. You can feel it to see how much sanding you still need to do. After you do your sanding, before you texture or prime, you're going to want to wipe it down with a damp rag. Get all the dust off so everything sticks good on the next step. As you can see, the mud work blends perfectly into the existing wall. The next step for this wall will be to match the knockdown texture. So don't change that channel. And to match the knockdown texture, I'll be using the knockdown texture sponge by the Texture Master. I'll leave a link in the YouTube card above once I upload the video how to match knockdown texture on a wall repair. I'll leave a link to all the tools and products I used in this video so you can check them out. Be sure to hit that round icon in the center of the screen now to subscribe to my channel. If you're looking to hone in your drywall, texturing, or painting skills, click the bell notification to get alerted whenever I post a new video. Thanks so much for watching.